Charging an electric vehicle is super simple. You can do it at home. It's cleaner, it's quieter, it's just better. It's quite nice to be able to say, look, it's actually really not that hard.
How would I go about getting a pod point charger and getting it installed in the house?
Would they put the plug point in for you?
And we arrange an installation survey, and then we organise a time that suits you for installation, and it's as simple as that.
What would I need? How does it work?
So we need to check that you have off-street parking, and we need to find out where you want your pod point. We give you a demo of the product, and it is super easy. There's no other people that you need to talk to. All the installation happens in one day, and you're set up and running from there.
Can anybody come along and plug their car into your charger?
No, so you can lock it. You know what, that is a perfect myth to be busted.
Is it?
It absolutely is, yeah. You don't need to worry about the fact that someone's going to rock up on your driveway and use your charger and your electricity. One of our main priorities is really safety and security.
For me, the other thing is social etiquette. Going to somebody else's house, how do you say to somebody, I just feel more comfortable paying you for the electricity?
If you charge it theirs and they charge it yours. It's always a big issue.
Yeah.
MONEY.
I mean, how much does it cost to charge your car?
I wouldn't worry anymore about the cost of charging. You'll save a lot of money, especially at home. So if you're charging overnight, £12 or something like that. That's it. Yeah, it's definitely a lot cheaper running an electric car than a petrol. Oh, look at that! That's amazing.
I love it. I love it. You give us an incentive to sit down and ask you all the questions. It's brilliant.